Hello friends, I am Raghavendra Pal and in this video we will be making electronic die using Arduino. So first let us see how it works. I have taken 6 LEDs here, one push button. So whenever I push the button, the dice will start rolling and it will stop at a particular LED. So dice will not actually roll, LEDs will be blinking. So let us see how it works. Just push the button. I have named these LEDs as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So currently LED number 2 is glowing. We have got 2. Now again push this button. Now we got 3. Again let's push it. We got 3 again. Push it one more time. We got 4. In the similar way, we can push it again and get a new result. What are the components required to make it? These are one Arduino board and USB cable. I have currently Arduino Duo, Arduino IDE that we can download from this link. Breadboard, connecting wires, 7 LEDs, one push button, and this is the circuit diagram. Let's understand this. I have connected ground to this hole, so all of these holes are grounded. So we can use any of these holes as a ground. So then we have connected 3.3 volts to this push button. This is push button and the push button is connected to the pin number 8 of Arduino board. So whenever we push this button, 3.3 volt will pass to this pin number 8, and again this 3.3 volt will pass to this LED. These are 7 LEDs, 6 are here, 1 is here. This LED is to know that whether switch is working or not. So whenever we push this button, this LED will glow up and 3.3 volt will pass to pin number 8. We have connected pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 to our LEDs. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and from here all LEDs are grounded from here. So this is our circuit diagram. We have to connect our USB cable for power supply, or we can use an adapter. Now let us see how its code is written. This is Arduino IDE. I have written this program for electronic die. So this command pin mode 2, output, it defines pin number 2 as output. So these all pins are defined as output and pin number 8 is defined as input pin. So we have set up all these pins. Now let us start this loop part. We have taken an integer a and an integer r and another integer roll. Roll is equals to digital read 8. So digital read command will store the value of pin number 8. So we have taken pin number 8 as input and we are reading it here and giving it value to integer roll. We have connected pin number 8 to our push button. So whenever we push the button, pin number 8 will be high. So value of roll will be high, and here in this condition, if value of roll is high, then we will be initializing all these pins as low. So all the LEDs are off. We have connected all the LEDs to pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 as you can see there. Now let's come to this loop part. Here I have taken a loop from A is equals to 1 to 100 and I am increasing A again and again. So here what we have done, r equal to random 1 comma 7. This function generates a random value between 1 to 6. So r equal to r plus 1. R equal to r plus 1, we have done this because we have to connect pin number 2 in place of 1. Whenever pin number 2 is high, the output of die is 1. So now with this command digital write r comma high, we are writing the value of r is high. So if currently value of r is 2, then pin number 2 will be high. Then we are getting a delay of a is an integer. So again, after some delay, we are writing this pin as low. So for each loop value, one pin will be high and then it will be low. So it will go 100 times, then after 100 times, one random value is selected from 1 to 6, and we are again doing r equal to r plus 1, then digital write r comma high. One value will be selected as high till we are pressing the push button again. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.